Hello my great people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadion from 4G Art, Graphic Art and Photography. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a rainbow light leak overlay for your image with Affinity Photo. What you need is a sunny day, triangular prism and a black paper. Go outside in the sun, put your black paper down and let the sun go through your triangular prism, and the sun will create a beautiful rainbow color light effect. Take some pictures and import the pictures in your computer. Select the picture you want to use and then right click and open it with Affinity Photo. If you have a raw picture like me, it will open in Affinity Raw Photo Developer. Crop the photo and use only the rainbow part of the photo and try to bring more contrast to the rainbow light effect. When you like the result, just press develop. Now we are ready to copy and paste the rainbow on our photo. Before I begin with the fun part, let me show you what I want to achieve. Now I remove the rainbow effect and create it again, so you can learn how it's done. Go to your rainbow photo, grab your move tool, copy the layer and go to the picture and paste the rainbow photo. Go to the corner and scale the picture down with your move tool. You can also zoom out to help you resize the rainbow photo. When you're ready, set the layer on screen mode. To bring more contrast to the effect, you can choose level and put the level as clipping mask. Double click on the level and you can adjust the black and the white level, so you can bring more contrast to the effect. When you are ready and happy with the contrast, you can just close the window. To remove the grain, you can go to Gaussian blur and put some Gaussian blur. If the contrast is too strong, you can play with the opacity of the effect layer. Now we are ready with adjusting our effect. We can just right click and copy and paste the effect on our other photos. This is how you can create a rainbow light leak overlay. Thanks for watching and let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.